It's not the responsibility of a senator to ensure that there is sanity in the assemblies.
I wanted to challenge our senator. He is one of the people who have been fueling fire, and is now behaving like a priest here.
I'm a senator sitting in Nairobi.
I must bring this exchange to an end.
Yes.
It is not useful to anybody. It is not useful to the Senate. It is not useful to the people of Nyamira. They expect when you come to Nairobi, you are coming to seek solutions. I will not allow this meeting to be one that fuels further division amongst the leadership of Nyamira. We must give direction that governor, senator, members of county assembly must provide leadership. It doesn't matter who the speaker is, who the clerk is, where they sit. So let's bring our focus to the numbers. After getting our focus on the numbers, there are those other hygiene issues that I've had, which also must be addressed. Honorable Senator, you understand the terrain better. I think there must be, I heard the governor say that he's calling the MCAs next week. Is that a statement of fact?
Yes, Chairman.
Invitations have gone to the members?
I've consulted with them, and even here, we have agreed, all elected MCAs and myself, we should meet first.
Members of a county assembly, have you accepted the invitation?
Thank you, Chair, once again. I want to say that we are open to that. Though some of us have not received those invitations, but we are open to that.
Okay, so, Senator, do you think that is a route they should be taking? And I'd like to hear your views on that.